Quadman from Chicago, USA, and I'm delighted to be in Delhi. And Dr. Singh's office was actually advised that I come here when I was in Chicago because I was also looking for a dental procedure. And coming into the area, very comforting, very lovely area. A very nice modern office with all the latest equipment. So that was very nice in my eye. And the procedure I had done here was not covered by my insurance. So this was a very logical choice for me. So Dr. Meghna did my procedure, which she put some veneers on my teeth and allowed me to smile. She has now given me a very confident, good smile. And I am very thankful for her perfection. And she is a perfectionist. She's going to have to get over that. But she did a perfect job. And I'm very, very, very satisfied. Overall environment. Yes, the clinic is lovely. It's very clean. I like the idea that we put on shoe covers. It's a very sensible thing. And the staff is very friendly. Would I recommend your clinic in surgery? Absolutely. As a matter of fact, I own a travel agency in Chicago, USA, and part of my intention is to encourage medical and dental tourism to India. Cost-wise, for the U.S. traveler, if they're doing optional surgeries that are not covered or dentals that are not covered by their insurance, which is mostly, a lot of it, which happens to be things that are for vanity reasons. You want to look a little cuter, and that's not a bad thing. You can tour India, you can pay for your flight, and you can have your medical procedures probably for similar to less money than it would cost just to stay in Chicago, and you wouldn't have the India adventure. Highly recommend it. Today is February 24, 2014, and Happy New Year, and I wish you a prosperous year. Thank you.
Well, the procedure was great. It definitely met my expectations. And the clinic is very clean and very nice environment. And the doctor also very attentive. Always calls to ask me if I needed any help or if I was okay. And I would definitely recommend this clinic to my friends and relatives.
Yeah, I recommend it. My friends, family, come to here. Okay, for me, very, very excellent.
Spine treatment for teeth. I have teeth is not good. I don't know if the hair now is good for what gets into ceramic. Doctor is fine. It's very good. Two doctors very good. It's fine. I had before. Now my teeth is very good.
The Zoom whitening was more painful than I thought it was going to be, but it was definitely worth it. The results I could see straight away, and now that I'm no longer in front of the light, my teeth don't hurt anymore. So yeah, definitely worth it. I'm very happy with it. As I said, the clinic's very welcoming place, staff really friendly and helpful, and I received a very efficient treatment. Dr. Singh did a great job.
Very good, very professional. The staff have been very nice and keep the light. So good.
It's a great clinic. Both of the doctors are very gentle and very good at what they do. They were able to get me in very quickly, and what I thought was just a filling was actually a root canal, so that's why I'm talking a bit funny, but they were very fast and did a wonderful job. I love it.
I would highly recommend this clinic to any of my friends, and I've already started recommending it, and I'm hoping my friend Dr. Rita Lavelle, who works here at the moment in India, married to a Parsi, that she will bring her husband because he's complaining he needs to have a bridge done, and I was explaining to her what I had done, so I would definitely recommend this clinic. Antibiotics and everything that was recommended, and no infection, no temperature, nothing, and I didn't even have any swelling. All the doctors I met Dr. Singh, very open to answering questions, asked me what I wanted. I didn't feel that I was swung to take the implants. I was advised what my options were. I was advised by Dr. Singh that I could, for me to have a bridge at my age, the chances of like one tooth going would mean the whole bridge. but everything I felt was left up to me, but very well explained by the staff. The clinic is very clean.
Hello. Hi. Good afternoon. My name is Stephen. I come from Singapore and I have been in Delhi for the last 2 years. Well, first I came across SODE is from my staff recommendation, and I'm happy with the service here. Especially I have gone through with both Dr. Arunat and Dr. Meghna. So they have recommended me due to my dental problems as well. So I have root canal, have some new crown, and also have implant. I'm very satisfied with the service here, especially of the appointments. There's hassle free, and the staff here are very caring, especially during winter. So I have a lot of comfort here, as well as the environment of the clinics. It looks very decent, and yes, I have a handful of staff, about 50 of them, but so far there's more than 10 of them has been patronized here, and I strongly recommend my staff to continue to come to SODE, and I'm very happy. Thank you, SODE.